Okay, so this is how my coffee bar looks now. That's mermaid, very tiki bar with our tiki cups, tequila shots. That's how it's looking right now. So this is the before. I'm gonna do the first one. So remember how I said we're gonna do messages every day? So I'm gonna do the first one so when she comes, she can see it. I don't know what's going on. It's not writing. Suppose it's a 10 for you, but we gotta fix it. But I think we are done, and we are gonna leave it like that because we are gonna do a very simple. Right now. Okay, so this is the after for our coffee bar. It says eat, drink, and be scary. Hello, fall. We have the 3 colors of pumpkin. We have our cups right there. I wanted to put final touch with that candle right there. This is my coffee in here. It says give thanks. A mug. It says I love you more than coffee, but not always before coffee. That's right, babe. And this is my favorite part. I'm in love with this set that I found in Amazon. I'm gonna put the link down below. It says coffee, sugar, and tea. We have a back sign that it says pumpkin kisses, harvest wishes. And this, we're supposed to put a thank you note every day. However, my shark is not writing, so we need to figure that out. But yeah, this is our final coffee bar. Look. Before and after picture. I love it. I'm totally in love with my coffee bar. The other side of the cushion that I am trying to change. So you can see this is my other countertop. This is the other side also. So before. Okay. More ours. Yeah, this is our before, okay? So let's see. So now this is our whole countertop after. The tiny utensil again. This is our countertop. This is how it looks now. This is our coffee bar. And this is me, finally. So guys, yes, this is me. I hope you like what we did today. This is our DIY and a coffee bar for you guys from the fall. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. I look crazy. I don't care. Yeah. Very simple because I'm changing all the time. So I wanted something simple that I'd be able to change it for Christmas. So let me know what was your favorite part. Comment down below. Share this video, please, if you like. Comment, subscribe. Let us help. Please help us get to 1,500 by Christmas. Please help us. Until next time, to Fame Family.